Welcome to this academic session presented by Assignment on Click. In this video, we will explore Tableau, one of the most widely used tools for transforming raw data into clear, interactive visualizations that support evidence-based decision-making. To begin, let us understand what Tableau is and why it has become so popular. Tableau is a powerful data visualization platform that enables users to connect, analyze, and present data in a highly intuitive way. Its drag-and-drop interface and rich library of visuals make it possible to uncover patterns, trends, and insights quickly, even for those who are new to data analysis. Getting started is straightforward. You will first install Tableau Desktop, which provides a flexible workspace for building analyses and dashboards. Navigating Tableau Desktop involves understanding key elements such as the data pane, shelves for building views, and the worksheet tabs where you design visuals. A crucial part of any analysis is connecting data sources. Tableau allows you to import data from Excel spreadsheets, SQL databases, Google Sheets, and many other platforms through a variety of built-in connectors. This flexibility helps you work with diverse data without complex setup. Before building visualizations, data often needs preparation. Tableau Prep offers a user-friendly environment to clean, combine, and reshape datasets. Tasks such as removing duplicates, splitting columns, or joining tables can be completed visually, ensuring your data is ready for analysis. Finally, you will learn to build your first interactive dashboard. By combining multiple worksheets, you can create a dynamic view that allows users to filter, highlight, and explore the information themselves. Thoughtful design helps communicate findings effectively and supports better decisions. Assignment on Click is committed to helping students develop practical skills and the confidence to use modern analytics tools. Thank you for joining this session. For more structured lessons and academic guidance, subscribe to stay connected with Assignment on Click.